Hi everyone, I'm Carl Cedric Dagli and today I will be reflecting on my journey through career planning, exploration, and aligning careers with personal values, vision, and goals. Lesson 1: Career Planning. In our first lesson, we explored career planning. I realized that effective career planning involves understanding one's interests and strengths. I discovered that planning is not just about choosing a job, but about envisioning a path that aligns with my long term goals. Lesson 2: Career Exploration. Our second lesson focused on career exploration. This process taught me the importance of researching and experimenting with different career options. By exploring various fields, I've identified areas that resonate my passions and skills, which helps me make more informed decisions. Lesson 3: Matching careers, aligning values, vision, and goals. The third lesson emphasizes aligning careers with personal values, vision, and goals. I learned that a fulfilling career is one that match my core values and long-term vision. This alignment is crucial for job satisfaction and achieving personal growth. Thank you for joining me on this journey of career reflection. I hope this insight help you as much as they help me. Remember, thoughtful planning and alignment are key to finding a career that resonates with your personal values and goals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next vlog.